falling in love. Baby, you're my rock star, smashing all my guitars. One day I will charge you for breaking my heart. You're just like my sport car, driving fast, you go far. When I'm sitting by you, we get high.
Hello wonderful people, Hannah here and welcome back to Shot Lab. Today I am going to try and attempt to bake a cake and in the process show you some delicious shots that you can get using your Insta360 GO 2. Let's get to it. Now the magnet pendant allows you to hang the GO 2 from your chest for the easiest hands-free POV. And when you pull out the little wings of your charge case, you've got yourself a tripod. With the easy clip, you can mount your GO onto your baseball cap and even adjust the angle. Next up is the pivot stand, and with this, you can really mount your GO absolutely anywhere. And you can also use your pivot stand as a selfie stick. Say cheese!
You're just like my sport car, driving fast, you go far. When I'm sitting by you, we get high.
That is the end of today's tasty episode. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below about what other shots you'd like to see here on Shot Lab, and don't forget to subscribe. Lots of love, and I'll see you next week.